Hi, this is Twan, your real world shooter. Today I'm going to test two types of plate armor. One is homemade armor that I made just as a backpack insert. I'm going to test with a 9mm today, just a couple shots. I did bring my trusty little sidekick with me, Riley. So he's going to help me out with shooting maybe 1 or 2 rounds onto it. I don't expect this armor or backpack insert to do very well. It's only, I think, 12 layers of ballistic Kevlar with what else is on top of it? Not burlap, but it's got an outside coating and plus just a fancy coating on the outside. So that is the plate or the soft armor I'm going to be shooting at today. All right. So right now I'm going to use my Beretta. Today's ammo, I'm going to be using a 147 grain jacketed hollow point. This one is from Hornady, and actually no, this one's from Spear. So, and I'm going to be taking maybe 1 or 2 shots. All right, and we are at roughly 7 yards. Back up a little bit. That's 1 shot. So I'm going to put my gun down. So that was the entrance hole. That is the exit hole. But it did catch some material. So again, I wasn't expecting it to hold up, but it was just a test. So I redact my last statement. So we do have an entrance, which is that little teeny hole, but we do not have an exit. The bullet is caught right there. The power of the projectile shredded the material, but there is the bullet right there. You can see it. Isn't that awesome? So my plate armor did work, or my soft backpack armor did work. Alright guys, so since my soft armor did pretty well, we're going to test one other plate armor today. Today I'm going to be testing plate armor from Kinetic Defense. This is helicopter armor, or light helicopter armor. So I'm going to show you the material. So let's take a look at it. So you have an aluminum face with about 1/2 inch polycarbonate of some material, some type of polycarbonate. Here you have Kevlar, and then on the very back you have another type of aluminum. So I have a 12-inch by 12-inch piece of plate. They said it held up with 223 and 308 pretty well, with the 55 grain 223. Today I'm going to be shooting it with the CMMG Banshee 5.7. So today's rounds I'm going to be using is 3. Well, 2 from this magazine. The top one is Elite Ammunition T6B. It's pure copper, moving right around 3,000 feet per second out of the 10-inch barrel. Second one is from R&R Weapon Systems, and I have yet to have this gun sighted in, but we're going to be shooting it at roughly about 10 yards. So I'm going to get it pretty close, and then we'll go from there. All right, see you in a minute. Hello. So had a snafu with the Banshee. For some particular reason, my firing pin broke on the Banshee. So my rifle is absolutely useless. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue testing with the soft backpack armor I made. Today I'm going to use the RIP rounds. So it's hollow point, but it's got these really crazy ribs in it. So give it one more shot with this, and then we'll probably have half pipe here. Shoot. All right, cool, here you go. Hold on to that. shot near the other one, and this one also caught the rounds. Little material on the outside, but let's go take it to the car. So this one, you can see the material in it. Caught a few of the petals, and that one ripped through, but we did catch a few of the petals. So I'll leave those in there. But the other one, it caught completely. It did not leave, it's right there. So holds up to 147 grain, but the RIP rounds, it ripped right through. Okay, so since today didn't end up the way I wanted to, what we're going to do is we're still going to shoot the aircraft or the helicopter armor with the 9mm Beretta. I'm going to use the RIP rounds, 147 grain rounds, full metal jackets, and we'll mark them as we go. We're just going to do a couple shots. All right. Okay, so
down in front.
Yep.
Here goes a bullet.
So first up is going to be the RIP round, and then it will be the full metal jacket, and then you'll have a 147 grain extreme hollow point. So it'll be 3 shots that I'm going to be taking. You need to be filming it, Riley, not watching. First shot will be the RIP round. Did you get hit by a shell?
Yes.
By casing?
Yeah.
Okay. Second shot will be solid. That one hit pretty hard.
That first one, case hurt.
Okay, so yeah, the RIP round. You okay?
Yeah. Oh, that's confused.
Then that was a solid. Okay, we got one more shot to go. It just made dents.
Yikes.
Okay, one more shot. What'd you get hit?
Right here.
You're fine.
But the shell came in.
Okay, so the last round is going to be another extreme hollow point, 147 grain. All right. And that's it. Hold it. So that one did really well too.
That's a big dent.
Caught the bullet, made a pretty big dent. So those will be the 3. I will mark those when I get home. All right, thank you very much, guys. So, oh, look at the back. Made some pretty good welts, and you can kind of see the fibers inside of the polycarbonate. So that's pretty cool. But we'll hold on to it, and we'll play with it more later. All right, talk to you later.